Okay, we got this SimpliSafe security system, and we're going to unpack it. Comes with the instructions. A little packet, some little stickers, and a sign for your yard. Okay, looks good so far. Power adapter. Okay. Okay, the base station. Okay, the base station. This is the yard sign stake. Okay, I have a motion sensor. I bought 3 of those. I have the entry sensors. I also bought 3 of those. An extra siren. The keypad. And they gave us a camera with this set. It's really inexpensive. And I bought this for my daughter. She bought a house, and I'm getting ready to head over there to install this whole system for her. All right, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to put the sign together first. It's simple. They give you the stake, and it just slides in. The clips, you'll hear them click. All right, once they pop into place and they click, then you have this third one that is top. You take off the double-sided tape, and then put the bottom of the sign in first. There's a groove at the bottom, and there's a groove at the top. Slide the bottom in first, then bend it a little bit, and it'll slip right in the top. Okay, push the center of the sign so it sticks to the double-sided tape. All right, it's ready to go outside. All right, this is the base to the keypad. It has double-sided tape on it, and place it where you want, but you can also put these screws in. They're actually just in the drywall. Then the keypad just slips on it and slides down. Okay, now you can hit menu, but you have to put the base station in first, plug it in, and then set your keypad to the base station. This is going to be your first step. Now, because it's in the little mount, you can pick it up and take it with you as you are setting up each device. So first set up the keypad, and now we're ready to set the entry ones. You'll see the little knot or piece on the top and the bottom. You place them no more than 2 inches apart, and now you can program it and set it up with the keypad. You have to click on set up device, and then you push that little button right there, and then the keypad will recognize the piece that you're putting in, and then you're going to have to name it. Okay, you name it for wherever it is you're putting it. It's going to be an entry, and whether it's the front door, the garage door, a back door, whatever, they have everything in the keypad, and you just push the pad and you'll see the arrows to left or right, up or down, to be able to go to each different device and naming it and all those different processes. Okay, it's fairly simple. Once you do the first one, you'll be able to do all of them, and then after you set them, you can put it in a test mode, and then when you press the button on the device, whether it's the entry device, the little button that I showed you on the side, and then the base station will tell you which one it is. It's repeating the name that you called that device. So let's go on to the next one. All right, I put the small one on the top. You screw it in. It has double-sided tape. You push it on and then slide it over, and it'll click in place. So I put that on first, then I'm going to do the one that has the battery in it. Take the double-sided tape off, and I put that up first, then I put the screws in. All right, then you just click it into place and slide it. Same with the other one. Slide it over. There you go. Now you press the button, you'll see the light flash, but when you do it on test mode, the base station will sound off which one it actually is. All right, they gave us a camera, okay, for buying all devices. That's a motion sensor and an additional siren. I put those in the garage. All right, I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and this is an awesome system. Building with Papa. All right. See you on the next one.